Here we go again. And this is the intro of Alice in WonderPAN. I thought it was cute, so I had to join in. This is, I'll leave everything down below, by the way. This starts March 5th, ends of March 5th, 4th next year. 1 to 20 products. I don't think there's like, choose as many products to start with rolling style. So I'll have like a usage goal, probably like 5 or something, 5 or 10. So I can choose as many. So there's 20 prompts, and I'll write that down as I go. So yeah, I'm excited for this. I thought it was cute, and I love Alice in Wonderland. It's kind of like one of my favorites. I barely watch it though. I need to rewatch some Disney movies. So I got 1 through 20, and then we have 11. I don't know how much I want to bring in, but there's 11, 10, should I start with 3? I'll start with 3 for the first month, and then there's 20 for the last prompt. Just so I don't get hectic. I didn't bring as much makeup in this month long, but we'll see what happens. So we have 11. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Tweedledee and Tweedledum. A product you have to have a duplicate or a backup of. Okay. And next was so I think it was why sometimes I've believed as many as 6 possible things before breakfast. A product with a impossible goal. Interesting. And the last one is 20. So every adventure requires a first step. A product that is out of your comfort zone. So I'll be right back. Okay, I picked 3 products. It was kind of hard because, well, one product was easy. I'm gonna roll this back in. This was Tweedledee and Tweedledum, a product that you have duplicate of or a backup. So I'm picking this one again. I'm gonna have 5 usage goal on this because I've used this so many times that I kind of am backing away from it, but 5 I think would be the perfect goal for this one. Next was why sometimes I believe as many as 6 impossible things before breakfast, a product with impossible goal. I feel like I'm gonna sneeze. Pore blend primer, impossible goal. I don't know what that actually means, but I'm looking to finish this no pore blend touch and soul primer. So I have been using this actually every day, so that is no problem for me. And the last one was every adventure requires the first step. A product that is out of your comfort zone. And I've actually stopped wearing face masks, and because I hate them. So I kind of want to get this out of my collection and use it up. I used it quite a bit. I'm probably to right here. I'll be marking every product I have needing to use. So far I'll be using 3 products. I think that would be good. Trying to lay back on makeup because I have a big collection. I just want to use it all. But like face care and hair care, body care, perfumes, I think are good on these products. So projects. So it's right here. I'll be marking that. Thank you, Danny, for showing me this. um, she's a project planner too. I think I'll be good with these 3 products. I'm excited. I hope I can finish this out actually, because I no longer want this in my collection. So this will be nice to pan out. This 5 usage I think will be good with this, because I got other face things in my other projects. And then I kind of want to finish this one out because I have been using this every day. So again, I will be marking these. And yeah, that is it. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. Bye for now.